Untuk mengobati anak.
My name's Mark Hayward. I moved over here to Lombok around 13 years ago with my wife and my family, and we work here in Indonesia in education. We moved here initially to establish a school, and it was through that school that we first met up with the Face This team, and the connection was made with the school on the hill, which was the first project for Face This in Indonesia. That's how it began, and we've gone on from there. Now just starting the third school. Each school in a different island, but the first one was here in Lombok.
Sedangkan yang ini apa namanya? Saya di sini.
Nama saya Jumawar, nama panggilan Jun. Saya sebagai guru mulai tahun 2006 sampai sekarang sudah saya bekerja 7 tahun di sana. Hubungannya pendidikan yang di sana itu sangat dibutuhkan, sangat diperlukan, karena melalui pendidikan ini maka jumlah penduduk yang ada di duduk atas ini akan bisa tertanggulangi dari segi perekonomian. Dari perekonomian yang sangat lemah akan menjadi tinggi begitu. Dan harapan saya semoga duduk atas ini akan menjadi orang-orang generasi yang bisa menjadi orang yang berguna dan orang yang pintar di sana. Saya sangat senang melihat ada kunjungan sambil membantu dari luar seperti Mr. Jos dan rekan-rekan ini. Saya sangat senang terhadap SD 6 duduk atas ini. Dan kami sangat senang, bahagia atas kunjungan. Dan semoga harapan saya ini akan berkelanjutan tentang PESDIS untuk berkunjung ke sana.
The kind of schools we're looking for are places where there's strong need, a poor community, but a strong commitment and a willingness to change and to improve. So we located a school in West Java, in a place called Bogor. This is not so isolated, but the community is very marginalised.
Nama saya M. Safarudin SPDI, tugas di sekolah adalah sebagai kepala madrasah, dan sampai saat ini sudah 12 tahun kami mengabdi di madrasah kami. Tidak melihat gender, tidak melihat budaya, tidak melihat agama. Jadi saya kira apa yang dilakukan PESDIS sangat bermanfaat. Dan ini bisa dijadikan satu contoh sebuah lembaga sosial yang dapat khususnya buat anak-anak Indonesia dan buat kami di sini anak-anak Darul Funun di Tangkil Caringin sini.
My name is Rusnan Taomi, but people call me Tommy. I was translator in PESDIS. PESDIS is one of the foundation that makes the kid to create their own future, because from drawing they can able to help the school to build good school to the better one. Yeah.
The connection between the kids and their drawings and the designers in the Netherlands, and then the funding is just fantastic, because what happens is the drawings from the children here in Lombok and Flores and West Java are taken, and then they're used by Dutch designers to produce these amazing T-shirts and clothing, and then they're sold on to people who appreciate the designs but also want to do something to help. And the money that's raised goes back to help the kids who did the drawings in the first place. So this is a great thing.
I'm Nosman. I'm a graphic artist from Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Well, I love the idea of children's illustrations based on the given theme. So that was a nice inspiration for me to start drawing myself, but also the fact that you had to work with the illustrations that children did gave it an extra twist for me. So combining my own style with the stuff that the kids did was a cool thing to work on. The cause was actually part of the design we were making. So there's a sort of a circle of the cause you're doing it for and the money that goes back to the cause. So people wearing the shirt actually wear something that has a visual reminder of where the money goes to.
Nama saya Pak Doni yang lagi membangun sekolah ini untuk sekolah. Lagian sekolah yang bawah lagi udah pada rapuh, jadi takut roboh gitulah. Langsung datang dari hati nurani saya aja ini untuk gotong royong, ingin bikin sekolah, membantu. Gotong royong saling bantu membantu. Gotong royong itu kan membantu sekolah, membantu anak-anak gitu. Untuk menyumbang masalah materi nggak punya tenaga aja gitu.
To understand what gotong royong means, and it's a nice image, is the image of the broom. The local broom here is called a sapu lidi, and it's made of a collection of it's twigs, we could call it, or pieces from a coconut leaf, and these are bound together to make a broom. So if you try to sweep the yard with just one of these, you will fail, obviously, but if you have a bunch of them all working together and sweeping in the same direction, it works very well. So that concept has been incorporated into the whole FACES approach in a very practical way. For example, getting the kids together and working on pictures together so that they're operating as a group. And I really think this is fantastic because it's unique. It's making a great connection right from the people who are the beneficiaries of the program, which is the kids, taking their work and their lives and communicating that and what matters to them through the t-shirt designs.
PESDIS kaitan dengan kembali ke gotong royong, saya kira merupakan bagian dari gotong royong PESDIS itu sendiri. Gotong royong diterapkan di sekolah kami ke anak itu dengan cara bagaimana mereka melakukan sebuah kegiatan dengan secara bersama-sama. Satu contoh ketika mereka melakukan satu kegiatan di kelas, dibentuklah satu yang namanya piket kelas. Kemudian bagaimana sih ketika gotong royong itu bisa diterapkan di lingkungan masyarakat atau warga sekitar, warga sekolah.
Dan sesuatu yang tidak bisa dicapai kalau melalui gotong royong ini akan bisa tercapai, terkendali. Seperti sekolahan ini, dulunya sekolahan itu sangat sulit untuk membangun. Akan tetapi ketika diadakan gotong royong, pada dasarnya sulit, ada gotong royong akan menjadi mudah, cepat selesai.
Ketika kami akan dibantu oleh PESDIS, sebelumnya kami ucapkan terima kasih. Harapan ke depan ketika PESDIS akan memberikan sebuah bantuan, tentunya bantuan itu akan sangat bermanfaat, dan harapan kami jangka panjang adalah bagaimana PESDIS bisa melakukan kerjasama secara kontinu, secara terus-menerus, dan rencana kami adalah melakukan bagaimana menyediakan sarana pendidikan buat anak agar tidak putus sekolah.
Membutuhkan bantuan lagi katanya gitu.
not giving up hope on us.
You're a dream, a superstar. Dance to the tunes of a steel guitar. You're the song, the melody, the person that you want to be. You're the twist, the big surprise, challenging the world with your big blue eyes. You're the change we all pretend to see in our next president. Hey, I am a soldier. Hey, a revolutionary. Hey, I am a warrior, fighting for a place to call my own. Hey, I am a soldier. Hey, I'm a guerrilla fighter. Hey, I am a warrior, fighting for a place to call my own. A place to call my own. You're the beat, a hit and run. Hands in the air while you bang the drum. You're the one you want to be, slowly making history. Calm down, Mr. Brown. They're playing your song on the radio. Turn around to hear that sound. A cool young kid behind an old piano. Hey, I am a soldier. Hey, a revolutionary. Hey, I am a warrior, fighting for a place to call my own. Hey, I am a soldier. Hey, I'm a guerrilla fighter. Hey, I am a warrior, fighting for a place to call my own. A place to call my own. Fighting for a place that I call home. A place that I call home.
Bulan keduan bintang teroreng sana ku entar ku tepi dintelang galang bulan sisi ampenan